Oh, nice.
What?
That's the main valve down there. Yeah, this is why, how they got in.
Is it supposed to be that big?
Oh, no. It's supposed to be the same size as that hole.
Look at that. That's a mess right there. Yeah, watch your feet.
Here, look. When it's like this, you hit it on the very corner like this.
Pick it. Daddy said it's ready.
You got 90 on it.
Oh.
How can you tell if it's right, Dad?
Bite into it and see. This is all messed up now.
Like how they installed it?
So from here, is it gonna to that wall is gonna be the common area?
Sinks over here, then toilet, then bath. Same layout. All of the plumbing is on one side.
Four doors right here. From here. Here to here.